Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today we have one interesting video for you. Today you can see me in a very nice clothes. I made myself a lace jacket dress, Italian buttons. Now I want you to carefully look at this dress. Dress is delicate beige color with a beautiful blue cord. Double-breasted dress with a classic collar, decorated with large buttons inlaid with stones. The sleeves have neat slots. The dress itself is transparent, as it is made without lining, so we sewed a silk underwear for it. In general, this product can look completely different due to the color of the underwear. Look carefully: silk dress t-shirt and lace transparent dress jacket. Short sleeves because I can't walk in long sleeves because it's uncomfortable for me. Please write in the comments section if you are just like me. I really want the coronavirus to end, and then I will go to a classical music concert in this dress. Now look at these gorgeous pockets. Very beautiful dress, and now I will show it on the table. Look carefully. Bottom dress. It's a little ordinary, just a good quality beige dress. The hem on the bottom dress should be wide. The main dress today is the jacket dress. It is very soft. The lace takes the shape that we need. The lace is amazing. This is France, Sophie Halette. Now I will show you all the details. And now I will show you the lace we have left. At the end of the video I want to show you the lace that we have. There are many colors: red, tobacco, olive, blue-gray. These are all small pieces: red, tobacco, olive, blue-gray. And this is my favorite. Now I'll show you the long fabrics. I don't know how to call this color, but I really like it. This is also France. Here is olive. Here is pink. The buttons are just like mine, but a little different. And of course fuchsia. Also France. You can make a dress from fuchsia. And for the most brave ones, you can make a suit: red, blue, mint. I showed you lace, gorgeous new dress. Hopefully this will inspire you to make yourself some new clothes. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!